Hey everyone, if you launch a successful meme coin on this platform Boop.Fun and it graduates and gets out of the migration phase, then you can get a share of $375,000 every single day. They've literally only started yesterday, and the way it works, they give out 1 million of their own coin, Boop, which is $375,000 at the moment, to everyone who creates a meme coin that migrates. And on this platform, they're called cults, so it's a bit of a weird name, obviously, but I think it's just meant to be like a funny branding term from these guys. They don't seem very serious at all, but they're all about rewarding people who can create something great on their platform. Now, yesterday, 181 graduated cults happened in the first day. So I believe it was around $3,000 to $4,000 that every single person who created a meme coin that was graduated received. Now, I've never launched a meme coin before because I've never really seen the purpose in it, to be honest. But a lot of people, when they're starting out with meme coins, like the idea of launching their own meme coin because of the amount of money that you can make really quickly. Now, we're going to be doing it. I'm going to show you how to make money launching your own meme coin without rugging the entire audience, because that is the problem with meme coins at the moment. Most people are only creating them to buy the majority of the supply, and then literally as soon as the market cap gets to around the graduated region, it drops off. Now, this is why I really like Boop and what they're doing right now. It was created by Dingaling. I know it's a funny name, but this is a notable figure in the crypto world, known for founding LooksRare and PancakeSwap. Now, it's super simple to launch a meme coin on this platform. I'll show you a couple ways to do it in a minute. There is an even simpler way to do it where you can literally just create it on X by tweeting Boop's AI agent. You tweet Boop's AI agent going, can you create a meme coin in this, and this, please, or whatever it is about, and it will do it for you. It's the most simple meme coin creation that's ever been made. But the reason why I'm very happy with it is, one, because of the airdrop. That is one great thing. So not only is the rewards amazing for the people who create tokens on this platform as well, you've got an unreal staking opportunity with Boop as well. So if you stake your Boop that you earn, then you can literally earn a share of 5% of the total supply of every new meme coin that graduates on this platform. Now, obviously, this is then shared between the whole of Boop.Fun and everyone who's staking it. But the more Boop that you stake, then the more that you will earn from this as well. This is an amazing feature that Boop.Fun should have done a long time ago. You also earn 60% of the SOL fees generated from liquidity pools of tokens launched on Boop. And this is amazing. So you can literally earn passive income just by staking all the Boop that you earn as well. This is one of the best staking platforms that I've seen in a long time, to be honest. I think it's literally one of the best, and I am absolutely in love with it. And literally it only came out yesterday, but this is what we're going to be doing today: creating a meme coin, staking some Boop, and getting you guys on over to Boop as well, just to be able to earn this passive income. Because staking is a beginner friendly way to grow all of your holdings without needing to trade actively and just look for all the trends on meme coins. This is a separate way to earn money from the meme coin space without doing all the meme coin trading. So if you've not got your head around that yet, then this is an even simpler way to do so and just make your bags work for you. On top of the rewards that you get as well, if your token does completely well, you as the creator receive 10% of the daily Boop airdrops that are tied to your token success. Now, the way Boop's been set up is all to minimize the amount of rug pulls that actually happen, and this could completely change the meme coin space. You can trade this on all of your favorite decentralized exchanges. I'll show you how to find it on Axiom Pro in a minute, which is what I completely recommend if you want to trade meme coins in 2025. All of these meme coins you can trade over on Axiom. But how it gets coins to be less of a rug pull is when the token graduates, 90% of the daily Boop airdrops go to the holders as well. So just to give you an idea of how well this is actually working so far, this is the global stats for the staking and everything that's happening on Boop right now. And keep in mind, it's only been live for 1 day. Now, $264,000 have been earned by Boop stakers so far. That is literally near enough 2,000 SOL. So everyone who has staked it has managed to receive that amount of money. There has been $250 million in trading volume across all the cults, so all the meme coins that have been created, and over 14,000 have been created so far. But out of that 14,000, keep in mind that only 188 have graduated. So just always keep that in mind as well. The majority of them haven't been graduating. But that's probably because people are just creating a lot of random meme coins with this so far. There's nothing relating to trends or anything else like that. And this is where my idea is coming in, because I'm scrolling through the leaderboard. I'm not seeing any massive meme coin that is relating to any type of viral trend. So I will give you my idea for a meme coin right now, and the ideas that I believe you should be doing when you're using this platform. So to start a cult, obviously you don't want to actually start a real life cult, but to start a cult on Boop, you go over to this button after logging in with your Phantom wallet, and you go over to here, you click this. Now you can create now, and this will give you the option to pre-buy in. So you can buy up to 50% of your token supply with Sol during the launch. So as much as you want to buy in, 50% would be 30 Sol. So this is the option where you can pre-buy in, but you can actually create meme coins on this platform pretty much for free. There's no massive fee or anything else like that to create it. And you can do it really easily on X as well. So this option right here, you can create on x.com. All you've got to do is click on create on x.com, put in your token name. So I'm just going to do a random one right now. So this is how easy it is to create a meme coin with this platform. I'm going to show you an example of one that I'll be creating in a minute, but this is just a random one that I thought I can just do really quickly. And it's super simple to create. You click create on x.com, it takes you to X, and then you basically tweet the AI agent to make a token called whatever the token name is, and with the ticker, whatever the ticker is. And then all you got to do is add an image to it, or Boop threatens to kick your dog. So if you then look at the replies, you can see that someone tweeted 6 hours ago, then Boop replied 2 hours ago with the automated bot, your adorable little token has been successfully deployed, and then it will give you a contract address to buy into this. So then we can go onto Axiom. And see that it's been created. Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to do well. Obviously, the majority of them probably won't do well unless it's correlating to some type of viral trend. In order to trade this as well, if you want to trade Boop meme coins, then go over to the migrated section on Axiom Pro. If you've not signed up to Axiom Pro, it is the only platform that you should be trading meme coins on right now in 2025. It's got the best at looking at everything. So Axiom right now, this is a brand new update to it. If you go to the migrated filters and then click Boop, you'll see all the Boop related tokens, and these are doing quite well at the moment, obviously if they're relating to some type of trend. So that was one way to set up a meme coin. If you want to set up a meme coin and buy in for some of the tokens, then I'll show you how to do that right now. I would recommend for these type of ones that you want to go viral, what I would do is create a Twitter profile and relate it to some type of existing trend that's already going on at the moment on the internet. Now, the past couple of days, everyone has been talking about a massive meme. What would happen if 100 humans fought one gorilla? And obviously, with the meme coin space, a meme coin was created about that 8 days ago, 100 men versus one gorilla. If you look at the 15-minute chart, it went to its highest and this was before Boop come out. This was probably around 7 million market cap or something like that, which is really good, to be honest, in this current meme coin space. So I've piggybacked off the trend. I'll probably create like a TikTok around this as well. But 1,000 men versus one bird, what would happen? And then all I've done to create these images is I've gone to Grok and typed in, can you create me an image of a couple of humans fighting against a bear with no armor or weapons? And then it'll give you an even better prompt to put in to Grok to then generate a high quality hyper realistic image. You put it back in and it will create an image for you. And there we go. These are the images that it's created. Very cool type of images. They look pretty much realistic. And then you copy that image, go to Canva, create a logo, because you're going to be using this logo to put into the meme coin. Then go over to Boop, where you click create now. And then the token name will be 1000 men versus 1 burr. The trend was called MVG. So I'm going to just completely piggyback off that trend and call it the ticker MVB. And I want to put 1000 men versus 1 burr who is getting the W. So this is how easy it is to set up a meme coin on Boop. Right now, all you got to do is the image, token name, ticker, your cult lore, so just a description about your token, and then buy in for 1%, 10%, however much you like. All I've done is made a Twitter, put in a random website, and then I'm clicking review and launch. One last check, it looks good to go. And you can see right here, the network fee is literally the most minuscule amount of sol you can get. Then once you've done it, share it to X, maybe make some TikToks around this viral type of trend, because this type of viral trend that I'm doing right now, all I'm doing is piggybacking off of the debate inside of TikTok of people piggybacking on this trend and going, oh, I wonder who's going to win against 100 men versus a gorilla. I'm going to try and get that conversation started for 1000 men versus 1 burr. Who's going to win? Can it actually happen? Is it realistic? And everything else like that, just because it piggybacks off something that already was globally trending and also creates a new type of talking point and is different to it as well at the same time. So there we go. I've tweeted about it. The coin is now live, currently sitting at 4.5k market cap. That's how easy it is to get completely started with this platform. So there we go. I've tweeted about it. The coin is now live, currently sitting at 4.5k market cap. That's how easy it is to get completely started with this platform.